This is a quick video to show how to configure or range a pressure or differential pressure transmitter. What we want to do today is show just how to set the 20 milliamp value to a calculated number. We are going to assume the lower range value, or the LRV, or 4 milliamps is going to be 0. So let's say, for example, you're measuring level in a tank and you have a calculated URV of 124.5 inches of water column, okay, or inches of H2O, 124.5. Of course, you've done your calculation where you've taken your linear distance in inches from midpoint of the process connection at the bottom of the tank, or your 0 point, measured in distance to your 100% or your 20 milliamp point, multiplied that by the specific gravity, and came up with 124.5 inches. So to do that, you hit the next button one time and you see the rearrange screen. So that's what we want. We don't want to calibrate it, we just want to set the 4 and milliamp values. So rearrange, hit enter. The first screen you come to is M1 URV. So M1 is the main measurement screen. M1 is set to inches of water, inches of H2O, and we want to change the factory set default URV, or 20 milliamps. We want to change that to 124.5. So to do that, you're at the M1 URV screen. You hit the enter button, and the far left digit starts blinking. So we don't want to change that digit, okay, because it's going to be 124. So to do that, to advance the digit to the right, hit the enter button. Now to advance the digit in place there, you hit the next button. As you can see, it scrolls through the values. So there's the 2, so that's what we want. So we hit the enter button again, and it advances one digit to the right. We want to hit the next button until we get to 24, or to 4. There you go. And now we hit the enter button again, and we wanted this 124.5. Hit the enter button. Hit the enter button. Now you're going to say place DP. We don't really want to place the DP. We don't want to move it. So you just hit the enter button. And so it advances now to the LRV screen, which is 0. So you want 0. Your 4 milliamps is going to be 0. Lower range value is your 4 milliamps. So in this case, we don't have an elevated 0. We've zeroed out any type of process effects or mounting effects or position effects. So we are at 0 for our LRV. We don't want to do that, so we just hit the next button 2 times, and we see the save screen. Now we are configured 124. And a quick way to check to make sure everything got there is to hit the next button one time, go into that. Okay, so 124.5 is our URV, 0 is our LRV. Hit the save button, and you are good to go.